Yay, we finally moved into the new house. And the kids are coming home from camp tomorrow, I think. Yeah, it's tomorrow. Or maybe if they're early, I hope they're early. But Lola is coming home early, I think. Oh, someone just knocked on the door. I don't need to turn the TV off. Oh my god, Lola! Hi! Hi, Mommy! Oh my god, I have missed your little cute voice such a long time. I didn't even know you would come that early. Oh, I came early, BT. I missed you. Aw, thanks. But where is Maria? Oh, mm, this is confusing. I really thought I had two kids. Lol. Maybe they're just pranking me. Honey, she is still there 1 more week. Oh, okay. Your voice just really changed. Or maybe it's just the same little cute voice. Maybe I've just missed you too much. But come inside. And by the way, how did you get the new house? Like, how did you get the address? Wow, I haven't seen our new house yet. Oh, don't worry. Look around. You were meant to share a room with your sister, but I guess it's fine. She's coming home in the next week. Okay, but where is my room? I need to change. Okay, it is right here. Come follow me. Okay, it is right here. Sorry, you don't have a dresser, but your stuff is in my room. Sorry I'm talking that slow. It's okay, Mommy. It's 'cause I'm just really confused that Maria's not home. Okay, but where is it? Come, follow me. Oh god. I should be happy. Lola is home. Yay. Okay, thank you. Good girl. I will make food. Yeah. Lola's favorite dessert is pancakes. But I cannot just make pancakes, right? I should make something delicious that is actually a meal. Take some ingredients. Tacos. I will cut it right here. I don't even have any counter space. I will just use this table. I really don't have any counter space. I feel bad. I need to give Lola the leftover food. Oh, God. Tomorrow I will clean it all up. Then Lola doesn't need to worry about the old food and that stuff. I really don't have anything. She won't notice if I give her garden salad. Mommy, I will change later, okay? Alright, don't worry. So I'll place the garden salad here. Eat up. So, how was camp? Okay, I'm hungry. But how was camp? It was good. Great. Honey, is Maria really still in camp? But my sister found that boy. What? What boy? Oh, don't. Yes, with her little boy. Oh, don't talk about that. Honey, don't worry. She does not have a little boy. That's gross. You're too little to talk about that. KK, Mommy, sorry. Sorry? God. But is she really still in camp, honey? Well, see for yourself. Shows photos. Oh my God. I can see that's photoshopped. Honey. But like I asked before, is she really still in camp? Because if she is not, we need to get her where she is. Because you're really little and you don't need to talk about that boy and all that stuff. Yes, I told you. Get call from Maria. Where are you going? That was weird. Talks to Maria. Okay. I am going to the toilet. Yeah. And I'm gonna stay there for long. Okay, so what if Maria isn't in the camp? Like, I need her here. She helped me with everything. Here's what Kid says. When are you coming, sis? What? Ugh, whatever. What? Is she talking to Maria without even telling me? Honey. Mom! Yeah, honey, what? Are you talking to Maria without telling me? You need to tell me before you call her. I know she's your sister and all, but you know, you cannot just call her without asking me. Maria said that she won't come. She is going to college. What? Without saying bye? Honey, don't mess around with me. Don't mess around. Like, honey, it's not funny. I guess. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna get a heart attack. Calm down. I will call her now. Don't come. No. Calls Maria. Hi, honey. Oh, sorry, my voice just changed. Honey, why? Like, why did you go to college? And sorry for that, honey, my voice just changed. I've been thinking about your sister's little voice. But, yeah, why did you go to college without saying anything? Mom, I'm getting big. I cannot just tell you everything. Honey, calm down. I'm your mom. You should tell me something before you do it. Because this is a big deal. I'm going to get you. Which college is it? I'm not telling you. Honey, you need to tell me. This is a big deal. Mom, I'm not going to tell you whatever you do. Okay, it's your own choice. I just got us a new house. If you don't want to live with us anymore, then go to college. Okay, anyway, I have better friends and a better life in college. We get better food than what you serve at home. Honey, you cannot be mean. I can be as mean as I wanna. Oh, I don't care. Just go to college. Okay. I'm not gonna talk to Maria anymore. Where are you, honey? Honey? Honey, come here right now. Sis is not coming back. Oh God, honey, where are you? Yes, Mom. Sis said she won't come back. Honey, I miss her too, but don't worry. Everything's gonna be all right. Everything's gonna be all right. I told you. Oh. Oh, guys, thank you so much for watching. It was so fun to make this video too. Like, yeah, it was so fun because, yeah, my kids just came home, you know? And Maria has been really mean, so what will happen tomorrow? Will she do anything else, or will she stay in college? But come back tomorrow to see what will happen. If I don't post tomorrow, I'm so sorry, but yeah, that's maybe because I don't have time, but yeah, sorry. But thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and never forget to press that bell down below. Then if you don't press it, you won't get a notification every time I post something new. But if you press it, you will. So press that subscribe button, and then you will get a notification if you press that bell button and like this video. So please do these 3 things, then you will watch every single my video maybe. So yeah, that will make me happy and will support my channel. But bye everyone, see you next time.